Good morning everyone. My name is Narinder Kaur. I am a kindergarten teacher. So let's make teaching learning process interesting, innovative, creative and fun-filled by using puppets in the classroom. Hi everyone. Nice to see you all. Children love puppets. They feel happy when they see the puppets. And when the children are happy, it means they are ready to learn everything. And today I am going to teach them. Let's see. Good morning, students. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. It's fun to study on Zoom. My teacher and my friends are here. It's fun to study on Zoom. It's fun to study on Zoom. My teacher and my puppet is here. Hi everyone! My teacher and my puppet is here. It's fun to study on Zoom. Children, today I will tell you about some amazing animals. Animals live everywhere. They live on the mountains. They live in the water. They live in the jungle. They live in the desert. And they live on the farm. And today I will tell you about 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Yes, water animals. The sea, the ocean is so vast, home of many animals and plants. See the waves. The waves of the ocean go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves in the ocean go up and down all day long. All around, under the sea, take a look inside and explore with me. So children, are you ready to explore with me? So let's dive inside the sea and meet some amazing animals. Are you ready? So let's dive. Wow children, see the whale. Let's meet. Hello children, I am a whale. I am not a fish. I am a mammal. I live in the water. See the blowhole on the top of my head. I go up on the surface of the water to breathe in. Children, I am a fast swimmer. Oh wow, that's great. The whale moves its tail up and down, up and down, up and down. The whale moves its tail up and down to swim fast in the water. Wow children, see an octopus. Hello children, I am an octopus. I have 8 legs or 8 tentacles. With the help of my arms, I catch my prey. I have 3 hearts. Children, I can be pink, blue, grey or brown in color. An octopus in the ocean go wibble, wobble, wibble all day long. Wow, see the dolphin. Hi everyone, I am a dolphin. I am not a fish. I am a mammal. I am very intelligent and smart. And I communicate to other dolphins by clicking and whistling. I love to jump. The dolphin in the ocean jump up and down all day long. Oh children, who is hiding in the seagrass? Hello children, I am a seahorse. My head is look like a horse. I am a slow swimmer. I can swim up, down, forward and back. more. I can change my color and my shape just like that. Oh wow, see what a beauty. Hi everyone, I am a jellyfish. I have see-through body. See my tentacles. If you will touch me, I will sting you. I glow in the water. The jellyfish in the water go jiggle, joggle, jiggle all day long. Wow, beautiful fish. Let's see. Hi everyone. I am a clownfish, orange in color with white bars. I have fins and a tail to swim. I breathe with my gills. I love to live in the water. Water is my home. Oh my God. Thank you, clownfish. The clownfish in the water go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Clownfish in the water go swish, swish, swish all day long. Wow, the beautiful animal of the ocean. She's coming here. Hi everyone. I am a starfish. I am the star of the ocean. You can find me on the floor of the ocean. I can be different colors, different sizes and different shapes. See children, what is that? Hello, I am a crab. I am red in color. I have 5 pairs of legs. My 2 front legs are called claws. I have a hard shell on my body. I walk, run and swim sideways. The crabs in the ocean go clip, clap, clip. Clip, clap, clip. Clip, clap, clip. The crabs in the ocean go clip, clap, clip all day long. See the baby shark. They are very, very dangerous. They have big jaw and sharp teeth. I think this baby shark is looking for his parents. Let's find your family.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark.
Children, it's all about water animals. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this lesson. But I have to say something. Children, water animals are in danger. They are not safe. They are dying because some people, they throw wastage, garbage and plastic in the water bodies. It's very harmful for the beautiful sea creatures. Children, what's our duty? Our duty is not to throw the wastage, garbage and plastic in the water bodies. And we should also stop others. So children, at last I would like to say, save beautiful creatures, save nature. Thank you so much.